I'm going to take you through spot trading on ByBit today, and the reason I'm going to do that is because spot trading probably the easiest way to get into crypto trading, and ByBit is 100% the most honest and transparent platform out there to start your crypto trading. Even if you're an experienced trader, I love ByBit. So guys, let's get into this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, do this for education purposes only, but what I can give to you, if you join ByBit today as a newcomer, you're going to get $20 for free, absolutely free, no strings attached, as long as you deposit $100 into your account, which you can use the $100 and the $20 for free. So even if you don't know what spot trading is, use the $20, try it out, see what happens, and then after that, you haven't lost any money. Get into this, guys. It is ByBit spot trading. I'm going to dive into showing you the spot trading, like I said, but the first thing I want to do is show you how you actually get an account. Now, this is very easy, guys, with that link down below. Of course, you're going to get the rewards where I spoke about $100, giving you the $20 for free. So you've got to create an account first, all right? Up here, you can see my profile picture. It's actually going to say sign up if you have not done this. Provide you an email address and check your inbox for a 6-digit verification code, and simply enter the code in and complete your sign up, guys. Then you're making a deposit. Now, if you deposit $100, like I said, you're going to get $20 given to you following the terms and conditions. You can start trading, and it's perfect for spot trading because you can actually use that $20 to trade on here. And this is the most advanced platform that I use, and it's the most safe in my opinion. Now, when you go to markets and trade up here, right, you can go through all the different kinds that you want, but we're going to talk today about spot trading. So use that $20 you get for free into the spot trading. And the spot trading platform looks like this. Now, this is what we're diving into. So the first thing you're going to do is choose your pair up here. Okay, we're going to go with BTC to USDT, but it's right here, but you can choose Ethereum. You can go through any of the spot trading pairs you would like. There is actually so many of them. Okay, so we're going to stick with the big dogs, the godfather of crypto. They call it BTC to USDT. How do you actually use this? So now with TradingView, I prefer it because it reminds me of actually trading on TradingView. I don't have to familiarize myself with anything else. All your tools are down here for marking up, analysis, okay, whether you're using fibs, shorts, your longs, okay, you can use a fib channel and just draw it out just like you do in TradingView, okay, no problem. Now, this is all for advanced traders. You want to know how to put the trade on spot trading. So you want to make sure spot's over here. You've got your buy and your sell, okay? If you want to sell, for example, we're going to go through that. Okay, it'll say your available balance right here, and then you simply type in the order price. Now, the order price right now will give you the last price it was at. If you want to change it, guys, you can change it. You can change this to 5, okay, whatever you want, and it will come up with where you want to put the limit on, all right? Or you can just click on here, okay, and press an add, and you can put your limit sell there. So as soon as it taps this limit sell, it will go down. Now, that's a limit selling in the spot trading platform. So you put the quantity you want to do, say 700 BTC, which is an amazing amount of money right now, all right? And or you can just go to like 10, you could 25% of your account, 50%, whatever it is, okay? It'll tell you the value in USDT, and then you can sell or you can buy, and that is pretty much how you spot trade on this. Now, this is the best platform for it, guys, because it actually is the lowest fees out there for spot trading, which is what we want to do because it's going to make us ultimately more money. Okay, it's got high liquidity, fast transaction processing, and it ensures amazing value for what you're doing here in the spot trading view. So you can see how smooth the trading is. Now, guys, you do have a depth chart, okay, if you do want to look at the depth of this, but again, if you're actually not a crypto trader, you're probably going to get very confused by what this is. If you are an advanced, you can use the depth gauge on here. I don't use it that much. I stick with the trading view like I spoke about. Now, you can go to all the recent trades going through on this pair, and you can actually see how well it's doing and the low fees, because you can see here the difference in quantity with the total and work it out between your buy line here. All right, if you're an experienced, if you're not experienced, I might be confusing you a little bit, but here, all right, one thing I will add is always put a TP and an SL, that's take profit and stop loss. That means if you say it's going to go up from here, which is a buy, okay, and it actually starts to go down, you can draw a line here and say if it touches this, take me out of the trade. I don't want to lose all my money. And that's a very, very important thing about this. If you go to market guide, you can get in exactly at the market, literally as this. You don't need to do a limit. You just simply click sell and it will start selling straight from here. And again, your TP and SL, guys. Very, very, very easy and smooth to trade on here. Please remember to get that free $20 and try spot trading out. Hit the link down below to get yourself an account. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified. And as always, have a good time trading.